Hello student, today we are going to again continue factorization, but over here we will solve sums where we have sum or differences of two cubes. How to factorize them if you have anything in the form of a cube plus b cube or a cube minus b cube. So a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b, remember, bracket a square minus ab, please be careful, plus b square. And for a cube minus b cube we have a minus b, a square plus b square, okay? A square plus ab plus b square. Now how? When we solve this, if you look, a plus b multiplied by a square minus ab plus b square, we get this expression, a cube minus a square b plus ab square plus ba square minus ab square plus b cube. And if you look carefully, these terms cancel. So what is left? So this can be written as a cube plus b cube. Similarly this. Okay. Now we'll directly move to the exercise. So just remember these two formulas. Okay. This is exercise 4.5, I think. Yeah. Sum number 1 part. Sorry. We'll do sum number 3 part 2. 8x cube minus 1 by 27y. Now we'll write this in the form of a cube minus b cube. Now can I write this as 2x whole cube minus 1 by 3y whole cube? Now a cube minus b cube, what's the formula? A minus b bracket a square plus a b plus b square, isn't it? Look carefully. So this becomes, this is 2x minus 1 by 3y as it is, and this, when you open the bracket, this becomes 4x square. This is 2x by 3y plus this is 1 by 9y square. Hence factorized. Am I clear? Now we look at sum number 4 part 2. You can pause the video and note down the sum. Now look at 4 part 2. 32x to the power 4 minus 500x. Now we need to bring this in this form, a cube minus b cube form. Now how do we do? In the first step only, if you see, I think 4x is common. 4x is common. So 4x taking common, what will be left over here? 8x cube minus 125x. Sorry, 125. Look carefully. 4 8s are 32. X into x cube is x power 4, and 4 multiplied by 125 gives you 500. Now this we can represent in this form. How? This is 2x whole cube minus 5 cube. Can I write like this? Now this is a cube minus b cube. We know the formula. A cube minus b cube is a minus b, then a square plus a b plus b square, which is 4x, 2x minus 5, and this, when you open the bracket, 4x square plus 10x plus 25. Done. Now we look at sum number 5 part 1. Yeah, we look at 5 part 1. This is 27 x cube. I'll just rub the sum. Five part 1. Rather 5 part 1 is easy. Why don't we do 5 part 2? Better. 27 x plus y whole cube. This looks interesting. Now look carefully. 27 is a cube of 3 and 8 is a cube of 2. So can we write this as 3 cube x plus y whole cube plus this is 2 cube 2x minus y whole cube. So this, now 3 goes inside, law of exponent, you know. So property of exponent, and this becomes 4x minus 2y whole cube. And this is a cube plus b cube, which will be a plus b, a plus b, a square minus, be careful, minus a b plus b square, isn't it? Now we'll simplify this first. 3x plus 4x is 7x and 3y minus 2y is plus y, and this we know how to expand it. A plus b whole square is, I'm expanding directly, a square plus twice ab, so that becomes 18xy plus b square, okay, minus, I'll multiply these two, this becomes 12x square, this becomes minus 6xy, and the sign changes to plus because outside we have a minus sign. So plus 6xy minus again 12xy because 3 4s are 12xy, minus sign is there, plus minus minus, and minus minus becomes plus, 3 2s are 6y square, okay, plus will a plus b whole square, will expand that, so a square plus, sorry, minus twice ab, 4 to 8, 16xy plus b square, which is 4y square. Now we'll simplify this further, you know. So this is 7x plus y, and this, if you look carefully, these are like terms. Yeah, these are like terms. So 16 plus 9, 25, 31, 31x square, okay, anywhere, no, minus 12, so 19, so it becomes 19x square, done. Now y square, if you look, sorry, this was y square, wait, this is y square, so this is 9 plus 16, 25, 25 minus 12 is 30, 13x square, y square will solve, 6 plus 4, 10 plus 19 y square, and xy will solve now, 18 plus 6, 24, 24 minus 12, 12, 12 minus 16 is minus 4xy. So this is my final answer, 7x plus y bracket 13x square plus 19y square minus 4xy. This was sum number 5 part 2. Now we look at sum number 6 part 2. You can pause the video and see this sum. 6 part 2, if you look, it's a cube minus b cube minus a plus b. Now we know this is a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square, and minus 1 taken common, we have a minus b. Am I correct? And these two, if you look, a minus b is common, so what is left over here? A square plus ab plus b square. What is left over here? 1. Factorized. Done. Pretty easy. Now we look at sum number 7 part 2. It's a cube minus a minus 125. 5. Yeah, sorry, it's 120. Now look carefully. We need to make some adjustment over here. Look, can I write this as a cube minus 125 minus a plus 5? Look, because minus 125 plus 5 will give you minus 120, so I can surely write this expression in this form. How does it helps? Because this can be written as a cube minus b cube. This is a cube minus 5 cube minus 1 taken common. This is a minus 5. Now we know how to expand this. How to factorize this rather. A square plus ab plus b square, which will be 5 square, will be 25 minus 1, a minus 5. Now a minus 5 taken common, so what is left over here? A square plus 5a plus 25 minus 1 is left over here, so a minus 5, this is a square plus 5a, this is 24. Done. This was a very nice sum, an important sum also. Now we look at sum number, this is sum number 8 part 2. Look carefully. A cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus 2b cube. Now, can I write this as a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube minus b cube? How it helps us? If you look carefully at the sum, this portion we have done in expansion, this is the formula for a minus b whole cube. So can I write this as a minus b whole cube? And this, now this is again in the form of a cube minus b cube, which is a minus b a square plus a b plus b square. Look carefully. Now this becomes a minus 2b, and this we know how to open the bracket. This is a square minus twice ab plus b square, and this, when you open the bracket, becomes ab minus b square plus b square. This and this cancels out. This can be solved, so a final answer will be a square plus b square, and this is minus ab. Done. Nice sum. This was 8 part 2. Now we'll look at 9 part 2. Similar to this, a cube minus 1 by a cube minus 2a plus 2 by a. This is a cube minus b cube, so this will be a minus b a square, look carefully, plus a into b plus b square. Am I correct? A minus b a square plus ab plus b square, and this, if you take minus 2 common, becomes over a minus 1 by a. So this goes away. So what is left? This is a minus 1 by a, and this becomes a square plus 1 by a square minus twice a minus 1 by a. Now if you look carefully, we can take a minus 1 by a common. Okay, so our a minus 1 by a comes out. So what is left over here? A square plus 1 by a square. Over here minus 2 is left, which can be further simplified. So a minus 1 by a, this is a square minus 1 plus 1 by a square. That's my final answer. A minus 1 by a bracket a square minus 1 plus 1 by a square. Now we'll move to sum number. Yeah, this is a very important sum. 10 part 2. Again, an important sum. This is x to the power 6 minus 1. X to the power 6 minus 1. Now, can I write this as x cube whole square minus 1 square? Now, we have done earlier difference of squares. A square minus b square is a minus b, a plus b. Done. Now, 1 can be written as 1 cube. No doubt in that. This is a cube minus b cube. This is a cube plus b cube. We know a cube minus b cube is a minus b, a square plus a into b plus b square, and a cube plus b cube is a plus b, a square minus a b plus b, which is x minus 1, x square plus x plus 1, x plus 1, and x square minus x plus 1. Factorize. This is a very nice sum. Now, sum number 11 part 2. This is another good sum. This is x square minus 8 by x. Pretty easy. If you take x, so this becomes x cube minus 8. Okay. Now, this is nothing but x cube minus 2 cube by x. And this is a cube minus b cube is a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. Look carefully. So this is x minus 2, and this is x square plus 2x plus 4 by x. So that's my final answer, x minus 2 multiplied by x square plus 2x plus 4 by x. I think I've exhausted all the ink, you know. One more sum will do. 13 part 2. 13 part 2, a very interesting sum. 13 part 2. This is x to the power 6 minus 7 x cube minus 8. Yeah. Now, how to do this one? Look carefully. Again, we have to make some adjustment. Can I write this as x cube minus 8x cube plus x cube? Sorry, this is 6 minus 8. Look carefully. I've written minus 7x cube as minus 8x cube plus x cube. Now, if I take x cube common from here, so it's x cube minus 8 plus 1 common, so x cube minus 8. So this is x cube minus 8, this is x cube plus 1, and both the sums we have solved, you know. This we know can be written as x cube minus 2 cube, this is x cube plus 1 cube. This we know, just now we did the last sum. Sorry, I think I've exhausted all my ink, you know, of the pen. So this is a minus b, a square plus ab, I'm writing directly, plus b square. This will be a plus b, a square minus ab plus b square. So this was sum number 13 part 2. We'll do one more sum, the last sum, 12 part 2. This is 32a square x cube minus 8 b square x cube minus 4 a square y cube plus b square y cube. Yeah. Now first what I'll do, I'll arrange this. Can I write this as 32a square x cube minus 4a square y cube minus 8 b square x cube plus b square y cube? Can I write like this? I'll just interchange the place. Now how it helps us? We can take, this is pairing group, we can take 4a square common. So what is left over here? 8x cube minus y cube. Similarly, minus, we take b square common. So what is left? 8x cube minus y cube. The sign changes. Now I'll take 8x cube minus y cube common. So 4a square minus b square is left. Now we know how to proceed further. Now look carefully. This can be written as 2x whole square 2x whole cube y cube, and this can be written as 2a whole square minus b square. So this is a cube minus b cube. A cube minus b cube is a minus b. I'm writing directly a square plus a b plus b square. Any doubt? And this is a square minus b square is, we know, a minus b, a plus b, and that's my final answer. And this is the last sum for the text,